Jump into what they did in the 1960s. In the 1960s, it was quite simple. It really was simple. It was just structured around eating whole, unprocessed foods and natural daily movement that just came from living and not exercising. You don't have to do that at all.
This works because your body thrives on routine and recognizes real food, unlike to the chaotic eating patterns and chemical concoctions that we have normalized today.
Yes. Okay. Secret number one.
Lay it on us.
Fix meal times. Eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner at the same times daily to regulate your hunger and prevent constant food thoughts.
That's a good one. What's another one?
Secret number two is no snacking between meals.
A lot of people struggle with that one.
Dude, you keep your kitchen closed until the next mealtime to let your body just actually digest and reset.
So if you're well nourished and you're eating whole foods, you will not feel snackish because you're being well nourished.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
What they also did, secret number three, was mindful family meals.
Yes.
They would sit down together, eat slowly, and actually taste the food rather than rushing through the meals.
That's right. That's right. Or eating in the car.
Or in front of the TV.
Right.
Throwing the wrapper out.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. They want DoorDash in their food.
And gets to you cold.
Okay, what's another secret?
Secret number four is smaller portion sizes.
Oh, they didn't supersize back then.
No supersizing, no big gulps, just smaller plates and glasses.
Size.
What?
No fun size.
No fun sizes, yeah. Even restaurant portions were half the size they are today.
Good point.
And people get mad because this is all I'm getting up for my food I'm paying. I want more food. Or I go to the buffet and they sit there all day.
And they gorge, yeah.
Yeah.
What's another one?
Secret number five, everything made from scratch.
Yeah.